friends, it's Lisa back with a new layout for Bella Boulevard. So in this layout I'm using the Squeeze the Day collection, and that's like one of the newest collections from Bella Boulevard, and it's so cute because you have the super cute colors, like you have yellow and orange and a very cute green, a pink, and this turquoise, like aqua color, and the colors are very rich and like they pop. Like, you know what I mean? They are pastel-y, but in a more like they pop. It's not really as light and bright as pastel, and I love pastel colors, but I also love those more eye-catchy colors, and those are perfect, I think, for summer. And I love pastel colors around springtime and Easter, but then when summer comes I also love those very popping colors. And yeah, so for this layout I thought, since the collection is a fruity collection, so you have a lot of fruits, and I wanted to make something with lemons because I wanted to make a layout with lemons for quite some time, and I thought that this would be the perfect opportunity because summer and fruity collections, like they just scream for a layout with lemons. And the yellow in this collection is so beautiful. So the one that the papers that I'm using here are Bella Besties. They are called Bella Besties, and you have a full I think you can buy like the full like all the colors from Bella Besties in a set, but then you also have the Bella Besties in each collection. So they I think what they do is they take the colors that match the collection best, and then they include the Bella Besties in the collection. So yeah, I hope you know what I mean. So, and then the Bella Besties are, one side are polka dots and the other side is like this striped or like striped in two ways, like what would you call that, checker, or I don't really know what you would call that, but yeah, you know what I mean. So I created this lemon juice glass, this lemonade glass, and the little lemon, and then I'm also creating this straw. And what I did was it fell onto my paper with the glue, and then I wanted to just swipe it off, and it made this huge mess. Like not huge, but huge enough for me to start a new glass. So, and then I wanted to have this little lemon slice on the top of the glass. So at first I cut a half of a lemon, half of a slice, but then I wanted a full slice. And I also cut some leaves, also from the Bella Besties. Let me see, all those. No, I think the green paper is from the collection. It's not the Bella Besties pattern paper, but it's a very cool green color. And also the straw is also pattern paper from Squeeze the Day. And at first I wanted to with the slice of oranges or lemons are divided in 8 sections, and I wanted to cut those sections and adhere them, but it didn't really look that good because they weren't standing out. It was almost the same color, and it was the same color, but the other side of the paper, and that didn't really make any difference. So I decided to go with painting or drawing, and the color is a little bit more orange, so you could say that's not a lemon slice anymore, it's an orange slice, but it didn't really matter. And yeah, what I found out here during this layout is that I really love drawing on my things. I'm used to draw some details with black pens and white pens, and but then when I colored the slice, I was like, oh, I really love that effect. And then I did it on the juice, on the lemonade too, and I will do it on the lemon too. And since I made this layout, I've been doing this on all of my layouts, and I really love how that turns out. It's more, I don't know, more artsy and more whimsical, and it's no, you know, it's like a touch of yourself. It's not only the colors of the paper, but it's like really having this little touch of drawing and of coloring, and that's what I think makes also it's the style that it's my style, you know, because everyone would make that differently and use different colors, and the way that looks is just how I work, and I really love that. And I think I will include that a little bit in all of my layouts. It's something I really like, and I didn't do it really until now, and it's something I've discovered with this layout, and I'm really happy I did, because yeah, you will see on my next layouts. I'm not sure if I will do it every time, like this drawing and making those shadows, but yeah, now I like it. So, and then when I was done adhering everything and drawing my shadows and faces, I pierced some holes, and then I was looking for a thread that was matching the colors. And I will backstitch the whole thing. And yeah, so that took me a while, and then this is the final thing, and I think it turned out very cute. So yeah, just adhering my leaves there on the lemon, and since there was thread on it, I took these little thingies and I attached them to make it adhere very well. And then I thought that I would just cut out these parts of the glass that were transparent, so it would more give the look of this transparency, because like if it's white, it's not transparent, right? And I think that looks very cute. And then for my background, I took a American Crafts white cardstock, hi kitty, and I put some gesso on the whole page, and then I'm using my distress oxides to make some, yeah, to have some mixed media on my page, to have a cute background, watercolory background. And yeah, I used pink, and I'm going back with water and paint, and not paint, but ink, or yeah, color all the time, making splatters, adding water, just you know, like yeah, trying out what I like, and just going on until I think it looks good. So I dried this with my heat gun, and then going back with some yellow. And I love the distress oxides to make this technique, because the colors mix very well with water, and they also, when you put gesso on your page, they like they float around really good, and you can, if you make a mistake or if you do something that you don't like, you can swipe it off, and that's very cool. So yeah, some yellow, and just trying out how it looks. And then I will also go back with some orange. And I really love the color scheme of this page. I know I already said that, but you know, all the colors that I will be using look very good together, and I'm happy that sometimes when I make layouts, I'm like, oh, I don't, how do people always like choose the perfect color schemes and stuff, but I do not, and sometimes I mix colors that I don't like together, but this time I was really, really pleased and happy. So going through my photos to choose the perfect picture, and I didn't find the perfect picture in my photos, but then I went to see if I would find something on my phone, and yeah, you will see I found like an amazing picture to go with this layout, like a yellow dress and a pink and white striped background. Like, what? I took this photo when we were on the Bahamas, and we were walking through this village, Marina Village, and yeah, this picture is like, the yellow is very pale, but it's yellow. So yeah, I'm adhering everything using foam tape, foam squares, to make everything pop, like always. And then I will look how I want my title to be, and I wasn't sure if this was how I wanted it, so I will change some things up. And I'm taking the picture off and putting it a little bit more on the bottom. I'm going a little bit down with this, and yeah, that's better. But the O, like the OH, the O of the title was bothering me because it was almost the same color as the suite, and it bothered me a bit. So I will change that up later. Yeah, and then going through all of the embellishments from the collection, and I can tell you the embellishments are so cute, and there are a lot of embellishments. There are ephemera pieces like you can see here, and then you have other ephemera pieces with words and little quotes, and then you have the matte enamel dots, then you have the cute little layered stickers, you have the normal stickers, you have the chipboard stickers. Yeah, there are a lot of things to choose from, and I really love all the things. Of course, I wanted to add some lemons and some hearts. And yeah, you see the blue or turquoise color of the leaves from the heart, from the little heart, and from the leaves from the lemon. I thought that color was looking very good on layout too, so I will include more later. There it is. So the O is bothering me, as I said, and then I used this color and did it again, and this looks a lot better. And then I come back with this turquoise color, and it's more balanced, you know. I wanted this color on a few spots. Yes, it's just trying out the placement of everything. And then adhering everything down. So yeah, for some things I will use the foam squares, but I adhered my title only with glue. And I can tell you, if you don't have the squares, you don't really have to have those to have some dimension, because if you have something and you only put glue on certain spots and then just tap this little spot with the glue, the paper will warp a little bit because of the moisture of the glue, and it will lift the edges of your little ephemera piece or paper, and it will give some dimension too. So don't bother always using foam dots or foam or something. If you don't have it, you can really create it without you can really create dimension without them. And yeah, I drew some white details on the letters, to make them look more 3D and like a little bit wet or puffy, and I think that looks very cute. So as you can tell, I think everything is cute. So yeah. Then this pink flowers of those pink flowers are from the sheet you see on the left. It's from the cardstock sheet. And yeah, I'm adhering everything, and then I was looking for some more stuff to add, and I'm adding some of those matte enamel dots to the centers of the flowers. Yeah. What should I tell you? Oh yeah, so coming in with my fifth color, the orange color, and I added some hearts, and then it wasn't enough and I couldn't find something matching, so I just cut out this orange flower and added it. And I think, yeah, with the orange from the lemon slice and the orange flower and the orange hearts, it's very cool. And then I'm just adding some pink splatters, and yeah, that wraps it up, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you like it, and yeah, take care, stay safe, stay at home, watch Netflix, and yeah, see you very soon. Have a nice day. Bye.